I'm going to talk about the difference between individual mounted letters and Raceway mounted letters on your building and why you might use one versus the other. A couple different reasons. So a channel letter, which is what we have here, this is one letter, again has some stud holes on the back and an electrical out. If you do individually mounted letters on your building, you'll have the stud holes on the building, and then each letter will have an electrical out that has to go all the way through the wall to a central point where you have to wire. This look is nice, and it provides, just a different look than if you were to do a Raceway mounted letter. And so if we do a Raceway mounted letter, the letter would actually be mounted to this Raceway, and all your electrical components would be contained within that Raceway. So the difference of why you might use a Raceway versus individually mounted letters, again, is because the electrical components are all contained within there, so you only have one power out that would have to go through the building versus each letter having a power out to go through the building. Another reason might be your landlord wants less holes in their building, so a Raceway prevents, many holes. You can have as minimal as 5 holes in the building versus if you have individually mounted letters, you have all of these stud holes plus your electrical out per letter. So those are two different ways that you can install letters, and again, they're two different looks. Usually a Raceway is painted to match the background that it's going on, so it does usually fade into. We'll provide some examples in this video.